Hello guys, back again here with Mr. Reddy in the ICT class, and for today, as you can see, we are going to continue our lesson on the 3D design and modeling. So let's start first the modeling by clicking the start modeling button over here. So let's click on it, and after that, let's see what happened. Right now, Mr. Reddy is using an account which is provided for everyone. So as for you, if you want to practice at home, you may simply use your own account. Yeah. And for this, I would like to kindly click and create the new file. Create new, click it, and then if you see there will be a couple of your friends work before, and you have the interface of the SketchUp. Click new, it will bring you here. Next one, a couple of things you need to use is only 4 things. First one, rectangle, push and pull, orbit, and also pen tools. Yeah. Now let's moving forward on to this. Right now, Mr. Reddy will click the pen tools. If it's hiding, you can just click up and down arrow. Press and hold, bring it to the left. Done. And next one, you're gonna click rectangle. What are the rectangle used to? The rectangle is used to make the landscape for you. Done. Mr. Reddy not going to use all of them. I'm just going to use a half part on the left side like this. I make one rectangle and continue with the next one and continue with the next one again, and let's leave the one inside. Okay, again, for your information, the lesson objective of the 3D SketchUp, yeah, modeling and also designing, is we're going to create a 3D artifact, right? So we're going to create like a 3D object which you can create starting from the scratch, yeah, from the original part one. So as you can see right now, we need to use the next one, which is the push and pull. Let's click on the push and pull button exactly below the rectangle tools. Click on it, push it down, and push it down again, and another one. There you go. You have 1, 2, and then 3, and then here you go, the swimming pool. Why we have to make 3 and 3 step, Mr. Reddy? That's the safe area for everyone to create a swimming pool. That's why we apply it as well on our practical activity. Yeah. Next one, if you're done with everything, you can simply click on the pen tool to see on the left or on the right side of the screen. Or you can also use the orbit. The orbits are really near to the pen. It's above it. There you go. You can zoom out again by scrolling the mouse up and down. Scroll the wheel, yeah, and then press and hold and move it to the left or to the screen to see the other object showing. If you have it already like this, next thing to do is you can click the pen tool again, and you can add some design on the right side. We already have display, so we're going to click on the display. We add shadows off. There you go. We give the realistic effects to our swimming pool. Complete it with the shadows. Next one, we're going to click this one, the 3D warehouse. I'm sorry, we keep it first for now. We're moving first for material. The materials, simply click on this side and then go to this one, which is the browse. We're not going to use in model because it's using the basic color. Yeah, we won't need the basic color for now. Yeah, you can undo using this option, the undo button. Let's go to the browse and then let's choose the best material that you can apply to your swimming pool. For now, I'm already choosing the water. Click it. There you go. And then the tile, Mr. Ready choose it as well. I choosing this one. I'll apply it to each one of them. Maybe it doesn't look realistic. Instead, it looks just common or just a general one. But when you zoom in, it's actually really look realistic. Yeah, there you go. This is a 3D modeling one. And maybe we can add them later on if we have enough time. So scroll down again and then use the orbit. Why? Because there is a part that you might miss. There you go. When you use the orbit, you can see the whole part. You can zoom in also using the scroll wheel and apply the same tile style 1, 2, 3, 4. If you got it wrong, it's okay. You may continue first, or you can zoom in a little bit more so it looks clearly, and then you can go back again to the water to choose different effects. This one looks nice as well, or maybe something that look like this. Again, it's up to you. Very good. Or this one. Now let's go choosing the orbit. We have completely done with this. Maybe you would like to ask Mr. Eddy, why we have a very big spaces outside the swimming pool. Now this one is for you to decorate, but our activity for today stop until this point. Okay, so for the rest, maybe you can add as well with something that you can put over there. Maybe water already. Maybe you can put some cladding or brick or other parts, yeah, from it. For now, Mr. Reddy might choosing for, I think I will add more tile as well. I put this one for the whole part. There you go. Or maybe something from here. You can choose later on. Yeah, up to you. Doesn't look nice, but when you zoom in, it's showing you the whole part. There you go. Yeah. You may always change it them again if you think you find a new one which is suited. Yeah, we're done with this. The other area will be for the 3D warehouse that Ms. Reddy have mentioned. Okay, now if you like to add them, let's moving forward with the 3D warehouse. Simply click 3D warehouse. This is the icon. If you want to remove this part, simply click on this, and then it will close the part, and then you can simply click over here. You may type the things that you would like to add. Maybe you can type plan, enter. You can click agree first. You can add some plant for your swimming pool. Maybe something that have a lower size. Yeah, you can filter them first, and then with the file size you can lower it down so it won't be laggy when you drag the file. Yeah, 100 megabyte, 5 megabyte, or maybe something like 1 megabyte. Apply it, and then you can choose them. Let's have a look on it. It looks exactly great. Maybe Miss already choose one of them, and let's try the deco plans over here, and then let's apply it. Let's download it. Yes, save, and then purge all, and then you can click on it. We already write down the name as an example. There you go. Lots of your friends have done it, and you can put the title. Yeah, plan maybe. There you go. If you want to upload the models, but for this one, we don't need it. So we just need to download this directly. It will be put it on. Okay, and then it will put it here. There you go. You can zoom in, and we have it down now. This one looks nice, or maybe you can find different spot on the screen. There you go. Right. What's next to do, Mr. Reddy? You can add another one. 3D warehouse. Looking for a different one. This is the search button, and then you can type for maybe another plant, and you can look for the models itself. If there is zero result, you can choose for a different option one, and you can add, oh, this looks great, modern planter. Scroll it down, download them, and put them nicely on your swimming pool. Maybe here, and then if you want to, you can add another one, and then put them according to the to your own creativity. There you go. It's already just done with this, and this will be the first part. How should be the rest one, Mr. Reddy? You can add more than 3 objects of a 3D object. So you can add 3 or more 3D objects into your swimming pool. Okay? For the creativity, Mr. Eddy will give it or allow to you, yeah, to put it and to adjust it wherever you want it to be. Okay, until this part, Mr. Eddy stop first, and see you again on the next session of ICT class. Thank you.